I'm out here today working on a yard hydrant that was leaking. Got the RK25 out here. Got my hole dug. Got my pump down there. Found the exact spot it was leaking in. So now it's all just a matter of going to get the part, get the new yard hydrant, put it back in, turn the water back on, test it, and fill this hole. So, pretty impressed. Probably not the best excavation job, but it got the job done to this point. And now, head to Menards, grab some parts, put this thing back together, and move on with the day. But, yep, this little RK25 with the BH 6.7 backhoe has done exactly what I needed it to do today.